In this video, I'll show you how you can buy a gift card on PayPal. So what you need to do is first go to paypal.com. You'll then probably be taken to the homepage, and if you're logged in, you can see your profile in the top right. If you're not logged in, you can go ahead and log in up here. Now we need to get to the gift card section. You can either type in paypal.com/US/gifts. That will then take you to the gift card section, or you can just go ahead and Google search for PayPal gift cards. Then make sure you're on this URL and you can see the popular gift cards. You can also go ahead and search for shops and gift cards as well. If we go to see all, we can then see all of the gift cards that we can buy here and what PayPal offer. So let's say we wanted a Starbucks gift card. We can go ahead and click on that. It's going to then tell you about this gift card. Here you can choose the amount that you want to add onto the card. And there is a maximum $100 card limit. So you can go ahead and then choose this is a gift or this is for me. And then fill out their email address, their name, a personal message, and when to send it to. You can then go ahead and click add to cart. Once you've added to the cart, you can then go ahead and view it. And if you click on buy now, if you're logged into PayPal, you'll then be able to view your cards that you've got on file, or if you've got any balance in your PayPal, you can go ahead and choose that as well. That's how you do it. I hope that video helped.